Hello bachcho, let's see the question. The question is the most characteristic feature of mollusks is the presence of, and the options are hard body, shell, mantle, food. So let's see what is the key concept to solve the question. So the key concept to solve the question is that कि हमें mollusk के characteristics feature means characters of mollusk के बारे में knowledge होनी चाहिए. Then only we will be able to solve the question. So we all know that mollusks are the soft-bodied animals. Their body is very soft, so they are known as soft-bodied animals. And the mollusk possess the second largest phylum of animal kingdom. First, जो सबसे बड़ा phylum है, that is the phylum Arthropoda. और phylum Arthropoda के बाद जो सबसे बड़ा phylum है, the second largest phylum is phylum Mollusca. अब mollusk के features क्या है? First, they have a very soft body and the body is generally covered with a shell, which is made of calcium carbonate. Now, the shell, presence of a shell is a feature of mollusk, but there are many mollusks which have an external shell. The shell may be external, it may be internal, and even there are some mollusks like the octopus, the squids, जिनके अंदर shell is not present. So there are not, means they are shell-less. Shell is absent. So there are three types of mollusks which have some have external shell, कुछ में होती है internal shell, and कुछ ऐसे हैं जिनमें shell absent होती है. Now, if we talk about the body of a mollusk, the body of a mollusk is divided into three parts. They have an unsegmented body, means body segments में बटी हुई नहीं होती है, but there are three functional regions in the body. इनमें क्या क्या reasons है? Anterior head है. There is an anterior head which has sensory organs. There is a dorsal visceral hump जिसमें बॉडी के सारे ऑर्गन्स हैं, विसरा है, तो डोर्सल विसरल हम्प है. एंड देयर इज अ वेंट्रल मस्कुलर फुट, एंड दिस वेंट्रल मस्कुलर फुट इज फॉर द मूवमेंट. दे मूव वेरी स्लोली, मीन स्लगिश सा मूवमेंट होता है, एंड दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रेजेंस ऑफ दिस मस्कुलर foot which is present on the ventral side of the body. So the body is divided into three functional regions. Anterior region is the head, then on the dorsal side there is visceral hump, and on the ventral side is a muscular foot. Now what is the mantle? Now mantle is a very unique feature possessed by every mollusk. Mantle, और इसको हम कह सकते हैं pallium. So mantle is also known as pallium. So let's see what is the mantle actually. तो जो mollusk की body में dorsal wall है, means the dorsal body wall, ये क्या करती है? इनके it covers the visceral hump. ये fold हो जाती है, means the dorsal body wall gets folded to cover the visceral hump. So the presence of mantle, it is a very unique feature of every mollusk, and the mantle is the dorsal body wall, and this body wall gets folded and it covers the visceral hump, and it also protrudes outside the visceral hump. एक flap की form में ये visceral hump के आगे भी. So the presence of mantle is a unique feature of mollusk. Now let's see the options one by one. So first option is hard body, but as I told you that the mollusk possess a very soft body, so first option is discarded. So option 1 is discarded. Now the second option is shell. So as I told you कि shell present होती है in some mollusk, in some it is absent, and shell mollusk के अलावा भी कई other animals में भी present होती है. So presence of shell is not the peculiar feature of every mollusk, because in some mollusk the shell is absent, so it is also discarded. The third option is mantle. So presence of mantle is a very unique feature of every mollusk, so this will be our answer. The fourth option is foot. So as we know that foot is present in many organisms, here also a foot is present. So this is not at all a unique feature. So the right answer of this question will be option third, mental. I hope you understood it well. Best of luck. Thank you.